dito, year 2022, I become a market analyst sa isang sikat na international company. Ano yung word yung nag-click sa inyo when narinig nyo yung definition ng head-to-head position? So yun, yung superiority. Yeah. So I think yun lang po aking discuss for today. I hope meron po kayo natutunan sa dito, sa market segmentation, targeting, positioning. That would be all. Thank you.